Hello, today we're going to talk about a concept that you probably know a lot about, and you've probably known a lot about this concept since you were old enough to realize what was going on. This is the concept of more than. And the other day in art class, I heard the students arguing because a lot of them were saying, she has more stickers than I do. So that was going on a lot. And a lot of times I heard this same thing at my house. He got more than me, or Susie has more than me, or Jason has more than me. I have a lot of brothers and sisters. I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers. So that was more than is a concept that we all understand. That means that one group has more than the other group, okay? And if I was going to use a mathematical symbol for more than, it looks like this, okay? This is the more than sign. You'll use that a lot as you get into the uppercase grades or upper grades. Once you get to be second grader and third grader, you'll definitely need to know what the more than sign looks like. For today, what we're going to do is we're just going to look at these pictures here, and we're going to compare them to see which group has more, and we're going to circle the group that has more. Now, it's easy to look at this because they've filled out these wonderful 5 frames in each set, and we can just look at it right away. But we're going to start by doing our one-to-one correspondence. So for this one, I have a boy for a bike, a boy for a bike, a boy for a bike, a boy for a bike. Here I have a boy, but no bike. So I know that I have more boys than I have bikes. I'm going to circle the boys. Okay, by the blue star, come on down. Let's do our one-to-one. So a girl for a swing, a girl for a swing, a girl for a swing. But I have a swing and no girl here, a swing and no girl here. So I have 2 more swings than I have girls. So, more swings than girls. Next, let's go by the green star. This time, a boy per slide, boy per slide. Uh-oh, no more boys. I still have slides. I have 3 slides without boys. See these empty spaces here? So I have more slides than boys. All right, that was pretty easy. Let's turn our page over, and we're going to do the back side of this. So for this side, they want us to mark an X on the group that has more than the other. But again, I want us to begin by doing that one-to-one correspondence. So let's put a bird in each tree. So a bird with that tree, a bird with this tree, a bird with this tree. Now, I don't have any more birds, but I still have trees. So I know that the trees have more than the birds. So I'm going to make a green X on these, since their X in the instructions is green. So those are the group that I have more of, okay? Now, with this picture by the blue star, I have butterflies and I have flowers, starting with correspondence one-to-one, butterfly to flower, butterfly to flower. And here we are, no flowers, still butterflies. So my butterflies are more. I have more butterflies than flowers. Finally, I'm going to come down by the green star, and this time I have birds and worms, starting with that correspondence. 1 bird, 1 worm, 1 bird, 1 worm. Uh-oh, this guy doesn't have a worm. Which do I have more of? I have more birds. So I'm Xing out the birds. Good work. That's all you're doing for today. Put your materials away. Good work.